What's going on, everyone? TD Collectibles back with another video. Today, it's Friday, October 3rd, and we have episode 26 of Friday Rips for you. We got something a little bit different, and we got a couple of variety packs we're going to be opening up for you. 10 in total. Hopefully we could always pull that SIR for you, but we will still take the illustration rares. And as always, we're going to get straight into it. Start with the Journey first, and then we'll end with the Surging Sparks. Hope you guys had a good week. Make sure you check out all the videos we posted. It was a strong week for us. Posted about 5 videos. We're going to take the Salamence EX for the first hit. There's plenty of PSA reveals, Magic stuff this week. Obviously, Pokemon. And we are also going to be in San Diego at the SD Card Show. On October 12th, this coming up Sunday, next weekend. So make sure you come by our booth, say hi. We'll have plenty of good cards there and product. Once again, I appreciate all the support from the people that follow the YouTube channel and the Instagram with our weekly post. I enjoy making these videos for you guys. And a Blaziken EX. So that's going to be it for the Journey Together. Nothing super crazy. Then we're going to go into the Paradox Rift. Haven't opened much of this set. Nothing in there. Nothing for the Paradox Rift. Not even an EX. This is going to be the Obsidian Flames. We're not even getting one illustration rare. This is the first, so hopefully we can get some last pack magics on these 3. Looks like another EX. It's not what we want to see. We want the bigger stuff. Hopefully Surging Sparks can turn it around. Nothing in there as well. Last pack magic. We're looking definitely for that Pikachu. We pulled it live on this channel. Make sure you check out that video and go back in our history. Fuecoco, Snorlax. There's something hiding back there. And the only hit we got of the whole video is going to be a Spheal. Nothing crazy. We got a couple of EXs. Good Pokemon. And then the one IR. Nothing too major, but still had fun making the Friday Rips video for you guys as always. We're going to go Mega Evolution hunting today. So hopefully we can make another video next week for you guys. Have a great weekend. Until next time, we'll see you. TD Collectibles.